watch the zoo in motion. Beautiful people devoid of
Hello and welcome to another video. This one is gonna be the first one of our second degree equations. The other one was the introduction, and now we are gonna start doing maths. Cool. So in this one, we are just gonna speak about the definition. We are gonna explain what is a second degree equation. In this one, we are not gonna learn how to solve a second degree equation. We will need to wait for to the next video. But we are gonna know the difference between a first and a second degree equation, which I think is really important to understand. Okay, cool. So this one is a first degree equation. Okay, I always repeat the same, but I think that's good if we revise some concepts. So this is an equation because we have this side equals to this one. Okay, remember that if I have something like this, it's an expression, but in this case, this left side is equal to this side, so it's an equation, okay? And this one is a first degree equation, as you can see here, because the x is to the power of 1, okay? So if I don't have anything, it's like it has a number 1 here, so x at the power of 1, first degree equation. Okay, so we have been doing this one. This is a really easy one, so you know that the solution of this one, as you can see here, is 1, because 1 plus 2 3 is equals to 3. Okay, so the solution is 1. You can do the balance method, but we don't really need to do that one. I'm just gonna write this, so 3 is equals to 3. Okay, I know the solution is 1, so I just wanted to write this to check that the solution is right and to understand that this is a first degree equation and the solution is 1. So if I want to make this work, we just can use 1. Okay, so 1 is the only value that is gonna make this work. Okay, because I can try with 2, 3, 4, 5 with any other numbers, and this is not gonna work. So 1 is the only one that is gonna make this work. Okay, because it's a first degree equation. Cool. So now here I have a second degree equation, so you can see that the main difference between these two one is that the x is to the power of 2. Okay, so that's why this one is not a first degree equation, it's a second degree equation. Okay, so instead of doing this like with the balance method, we will need to learn a new method that I will explain in the next video. But in this one, I just wanted to understand the difference. Okay, and basically to recognize a second degree equation, we need to have the x to the power of 2, and in this one this is happening, so this one is a second degree equation. Okay, have a look that if I do something like that, this will be a first degree equation. Okay, but we need to have this one to the power of 2 to have these second degree equations. Okay, so in the following video and in the practices that you're going to be doing, so you will see this one all the time, because we are going to be doing second degree equations. Okay, cool. So for this one here, you have the solutions. The solution of these second degree equations are 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to explain in the following video how to find these solutions. Now in this case, you just have the solutions because I just want you to understand the meaning of these two ones, and then in the next video I will explain you how to use the method which is a formula, and it's really easy to use, as I've said before. Cool. So this one, as you know, an equation is finding the value of x to make this work, and we want to have the same value on the left and on the right. Okay, so in this one we need to find a value that if we change x for that value, everything is equals to 0. Okay, so as I can see here, the solutions are 1 and 2. So if I want to check that it is correct, I can write this expression, and instead of x I will write 1. Okay, so this is going to be 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 2 equals to 0, and then we have 1 at the power of 1, which is 1, minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, and this is minus 2 plus 2, 0 is equals to 0. Perfect, so that one is correct. Okay, because this part, the left side, is equals to the right one, which is 0. So 0 is equals to 0, yes. Perfect, so we have done that using the first solution, which is 1. Okay, so now we are going to do the same with the second solution, which is 2. So we are going to copy this to the power 2 minus 3. Okay, so this is 4 minus 6 plus 2 equals to 0. And this 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 6, 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so this one is correct as well. Okay, so you can see here, when we have a second degree equation, okay, so we are gonna have, instead of one solution, we are gonna have two solutions. So that means that we are gonna have two values that they're gonna make this work. Okay, so just two. We're not gonna have 3, 4, 5, just two in this case. Okay, I will explain in the following video, in 2 or 3 videos, like maybe you can have 2 or maybe 1 or 0 solutions. I will explain that, but we know that the fact that this is a second degree equation, so we are not going to have more than 2 solutions, and most of the times we will have 2 solutions. Okay, perfect. So this is the video just to understand the difference between first degree and second degree equation. Okay, as I said, first degree, this is to the power of 1, and you will have just one value to make this work. Okay, one solution. Second degree equations, this is to the power of 2, one of the x's, okay, and the solutions that you're gonna get, most of the times are gonna be 2 of them, okay, and both of them are gonna make this work, that the left side is equals to the right side. Okay, so this is the main difference, the exponent and the number of solutions. Okay, and as I said, first degree equations, we need to use the balance method, as we have been doing the last week, the previous week. And then for this one, we are not going to be using the balance method, we are going to use a new method, which is a formula. And in the next video, I'm going to explain how to use that formula and how to find these two solutions for a second degree equation. Perfect. Thank you.